So the Student Emergency Fund is a unique charge for the foundation.
Once I got involved with the SEAP program, I really started to realize that our students are not okay. Many of them have stacks of bills at home that they can't pay.
Over the years, we have supported medical emergencies, we've paid utility bills, we've fixed flat tires, we have bought groceries for families.
Or just to help them continue their education. It has been a really fulfilling experience.
And so when donors put their trust in us to operate a fund like this, it gives us the flexible resources to adapt to those changing needs. And frankly, this is one of, the most fulfilling funds that we have for me personally, because this affects the whole person.
I'm so proud to work at a university that recognizes the importance of meeting students' needs, even small needs that may keep a student from finishing their degree. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your donations to the Student Emergency Assistance Program.